That was a nice jump. Huh?
How are you so good at it?
I am not. I am terrible at this. Yeah, if you actually seen someone who was good at this, huh?
You know what the babies are? You know, go up there, maybe.
You got to keep it in the grass.
Oh, true.
Gravel is painful for it.
Oh, it is? I got my plug.
No,
I got mine.
no, yours is still on the charge, and we're fixing to go grill out. We'll play with yours after we get done eating a hamburger.
Oh, that sounds good, buddy.
Ow, that was a nosedive. Let me see if I can get down range from it so we can see it better. Oh no! That was awesome.
Yeah.
That actually was probably the softest landing it's had.
True. That was really close.
That was probably the softest landing it's ever had. Oh!
Ooh.
Yeah, that crunched the body a little bit. I've got that indestructible body. It just doesn't look as good. I'm gonna buy a new one of these bodies, and then I'm gonna use the indestructible body for jumping. And then, uh-oh,
You
watch
okay,
out,
buddy?
little man. Yeah, it hurts. You gotta stand out of the way. It's harder to see where my trajectory is when you're doing it from this angle.
Okay?
I could probably jump over my head, but I'm not that stupid.
Surprise, motherfucker.
That was really close.
No, 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 you go up there. It's too dangerous down here, okay? You go back up there. It's way too dangerous. Don't do what Daddy does. Oh, no.
Wait, oh!
Bring Daddy the body. It don't hurt it. I mean, it does, but it's not. I think I can get a body for about 50 bucks or so.
Let's see. Like, how does that work?
Look here, it's busted all to pieces. That's just from the day. All right, everybody watch out of the way.
Oh, yeah.
Go up there.
That was really hard yesterday.
Yeah, this body only had one crack in it.
Really?
I put quite a few more in it.
Wait, no, it's coming really close to your head. That means it's like really, it's jumping at really hard.
Stand back.
Wait, how tall are you?
I'm about 5'11".
Dang. Oh, you okay, buddy? You can kind of push me. Good air.
I bet it looks cool.
That's all that matters.
Keep him up that way. I don't want him running out in front of it.
Right here.
Right, we got to get a better trajectory going here. That was a good jump. Stay up there. Don't come down every time we jump. That way you don't get run over. No need to baby it. This is what I bought it for. Well, to have fun with it. I'd say I'm probably getting 30 foot out of it at least, and about 10 foot high. Nah, I'm not good enough to do any of that stuff.
Really?
No, I mean, when you ever see someone that's actually good at driving one of these things, you'll realize just how bad I really am at it. Everybody over that way. Way over there, because if I miss the ramp, it'll take your legs out, and it can break a bone.
Low battery.
That's okay, won't hurt it. This ain't recording. It's the GoPro. Don't need that much of a run up for it.
Dang.
Probably need a little bit more than that, but let's go up this way. We'll have to get new axle hubs, axle cups before it's over with.
Nice.
Yeah, love it. Could do this all day.
Stop it. Get some help.
That was a good landing. If you can get this to land on all four wheels, it does really good.
I remember yesterday.
I know this is probably a mistake, but let's turn up the traction control just to see if it can help keep me straight.
It's kind of better though.
Well, it's just mainly helps me keep it straight on the run up.
Yeah.
Oh! Most